Good morning. I am K. Yogunath, Assistant Professor, Mathematics Department, working in NPR College of Engineering and Technology, Dindikkal, Tamil Nadu. Now we are going to discuss the paper Engineering Mathematics 2. Subject code of the paper is MA8251. This is 2017 regulations, Anna University, Chennai. In this paper has 5 units. The third unit is analytic functions. Now we are going to discuss definitions of analytic functions and CR equation, problems based on CR equations in this class. The first heading is functions of complex variable. Here Z is equal to A plus IB is a complex number. A is a real part, B is an imaginary part, both are numbers or constant, so it is called as complex number. Next, Z is equal to X plus IY. Here real part is X, imaginary part is Y, both are variable, so Z equal to X plus IY is a complex variable. F of Z, functions of Z is equal to U of X comma Y plus I into V of X comma Y is called functions of complex variable. Definitions of analytic. A function f of z is said to be analytic at a point if its derivative exists not only at that point but also in some neighborhood of that point. Necessary conditions for f of z to be analytic. Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y and dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou s. So these conditions are called necessary conditions. For f of z to be analytic, it is also called Cauchy-Riemann equation, CR equations. Sufficient conditions for f of z to be analytic having 2 points. Point number 1, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y are all continuous. Number 2, CR equations. So they are sufficient conditions for f of z to be analytic. Polar form in Cauchy ratio, Riemann. Dou u by dou r equal to 1 by r dou v by dou theta. This is the first condition. What about second condition? Dou v by dou r equal to minus 1 by r dou u divided by dou theta. So in this area we have to check given problem is analytic or not. We have 2 types of question. One question using through Cartesian form via we have to verify given function is analytic or not, or through polar form via we have to verify given function is analytic or not. So when do we use Cartesian, when do we use polar? I will explain. So in this class I like to explain only through Cartesian form how can we check function is analytic or not. Definitely the next class I have to explain through polar form how can we check function is analytic or not. Okay. Now the question is verify whether f of z is equal to e power z is an analytic or not. Solution: given f of z is equal to e power z. What about f of z? U plus iv is equal to e to the power of x plus iy. E to the power of x plus iy can be separated into e power x into e power iy. E power iy can be written as cos y plus I sin y. We know that e power theta formula is cos theta plus I sin theta. Then now u plus ib is equal to e power x into cos y plus I into e power x into sin y. Now equating real part u is equal to e power x cos y, imaginary part b is equal to e power x sin y. So first we have to find out dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, then dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. So dou u by dou s meaning differentiation of e power x cos y with respect to x in partially, we get same. Differentiation of e power x becomes e power x. So e power x into cos y. Dou u by dou y means differentiation of e power x cos y with respect to y in partial, e power x into minus sin y, that is minus e power x sin y. So which is equation number 2. Next v equal to e power x sin y. Dou v by dou x is equal to e power x sin y, which is equation number 3. Dou v by dou y equal to e power x into cos y, which is equation number 4. From 1 and 4 answer e power x cos y, here also e power x cos y. From 1 and 4 they are equal, so dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. From 2 and 3 answers are equal but symbols are opposite. So what is a dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou s. So first two conditions are satisfied. What is a CR equations are satisfied at all points. Hence given problems, that is e power z is an analytic. Sum number 2. Verify whether f of z is equal to x squared plus I into y squared is an analytic or not. Here f of z is equal to x squared plus I into y squared. Next step, u plus ib is equal to x squared plus I into y squared. Here u equal to x squared plus v into equal to y squared. Dou u by dou x is equal to 2x, which is equation number 1. Dou u by dou y equal to 0, which is equation number 2. Here v value is y squared, so dou v by dou x is 0 and dou v by dou y is 2y. So dou v by dou x equal to 0, equation number 3. Next one, dou v by dou y equal to y, equation number 4. From 1 and 4, from first equation answer is 2s, fourth equation answer is 2y, they are not equal, so CR equations are not satisfied. So we having two conditions here. First condition is not satisfied, there is no need to check second condition. What is a CR equations are not satisfied, so given function is not an analytic. Number 3, prove that f of z is equal to x squared plus I into y squared is differentiable at origin only. Solution. First we take given f of z is equal to x squared plus I into y squared. What about f of z? U plus iv is equal to x squared plus I into y squared. A real part u equal to x squared, imaginary part v equal to y squared. Now dou u by dou x is equal to 2x, dou u by dou y equal to 0, dou v by dou x is equal to 0 and dou v by dou y equal to 2y. So what is our question? Is differentiable at origin. So what is it? We have to substitute 0,0 point in dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y. So what we get here, all values are 0. Here dou u by dou x is 0, equation number 1. Dou u by dou y is equal to 0, which is equation number 2. Dou v by dou x answer is 0, equation number 3. Dou v by dou y equal to 0, which is equation number 4. From 1 and 4, dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. From 2 and 3, dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou x. So CR equations are satisfied at 0,0. So it is differentiable. Very clear, it is differentiable at 0,0 only, but it's not analytic. What is the meaning of analytic? Derivative exists at all points. But in this problem, derivative exists at particular point. 0,0 in this problem satisfied. Suppose 0,2 definitely in this problem does not satisfy CR equation. So what is a differentiable at 0,0 only? Sum number 4, prove that is differentiable only at origin. Same model. It looks like a sum number 3. What about f of z is equal to modulus z squared? F of z means u plus iv. Functions of complex variable. Z is nothing but complex variable x plus iy. Modulus of x plus iy means root of x square plus y squared whole square. A square root squaring cancel. Now equating real part u equal to x square plus y squared, equating imaginary part in LHS I part is v, imaginary part is v, but RHS there is no I part, so v value is 0. So dou u by dou x is equal to 2x, dou u by dou y equal to 2y. Here dou v by dou x is 0, dou v by dou y equal to 0. At 0, 0, what is it? 0, 0, substitute in dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, we get 0, 0, equation 1 and 2. Similarly, dou v by dou x equal to 0, dou v by dou y equal to 0, which is equation number 4. So from 1 and 4, they are equal. So dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. First condition satisfied. From 2 and 3, they are equal and opposite symbol. So here there is no minus. What is it? There is no plus, there is no minus in 0. So second condition is also satisfied. What is it? Dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou s. Hence f of z is differentiable only at origin. Sum number 5. Prove that f of z is equal to z bar is nowhere differentiable. Here f of z is equal to z bar. F of z is very clear. Functions of complex variable, that is u plus iv. Z is very clear, x plus iy. We take bar. This bar means conjugate. X plus iy bar means x minus iy. Equating real part u equal to x and v equal to minus y. Dou u by dou x is equal to 1 and dou u by dou y equal to 1. They are equation 1, equation 2 respectively. Dou v by dou x is equal to 0, which is equation number 3. Dou v by dou y answer is minus 1, which is equation number 4. Here from 1 and 4, the answers are different. First one is 1, second one is minus 1. They are not equal. So CR equations are not satisfied. So given sum is nowhere differentiable. What is it? It is not analytic. It is not analytic. Thank you. Thank you for listening.